Start MySQL Workbench and connect with root authentication. Previous tutorial was download and install MySQL, link available in the description box below. This tutorial is creating database table and inserting record in MySQL server. So go to the Navigator and say this is the system database and system table, sysconfig and column variable values at times and by. These are the records in the system.config table. Now I'm going to create database schema table and inserting record in the table. So select this icon, create new schema in the connected server, or you can right click in the Navigator and create a schema. Name the database ProgrammingDB and then click on apply. It said that you can only use small letter, lowercase. Yes, it's converted to lowercase ProgrammingDB. Then click on apply. Yes, it's applied. Click on finish. The ProgrammingDB database schema is created successfully. Now there is no table. I'm gonna create table in this under the ProgrammingDB. Okay, click on create table. Table name is product info underscore tab, and column, declare the column name is product ID. This is the data type integer, primary key and not null. Then next column name is item name, varchar 45, design also varchar 100, and expression, if no value inserted in the column design, default expression will be NA. I will demonstrate it later. And the inserting record, insert date is date time, data type is date time. Okay, now click on apply. Yes, it's displaying the command. Yes, default null value NA. Apply, finish. Okay, it's done. Now let's see the column in the database table. Yes, product ID, item name, design, and insert date, and index is primary key index. So this is the select statement. Select star from ProgrammingDB database schema and program info tab, table name. I'm inserting record, product ID 101, item name laptop, design Dell Core i5, and insert date 11th November 2022, and I am inserting one more record for monitor, and design is null. And 103 hard disk, its design is 1 TB, and insert date. Where I kept it null, the design of product ID 102, it will display NA. Yes, click on apply. Finish. Yes, see that in the design column it is displaying NA. Let's see the records. Yes, see that the monitor's design is NA, where I kept it null, because I said if the value is null it will display NA, not applicable. Let's see the columns. You see that NA default expression, I set the default expression as NA, so it's displaying NA.